The most important part of your remodeled kitchen is the crafting, delivery, and installation of the cabinetry. So when we start on the foundation phase of your kitchen, we also begin the fabrication phase. In fabrication, we maintain a very simple three-pronged commitment. Craft with custom excellence, complete the craft work in 10 days, and keep it green. Oneida Builders custom crafts every piece of cabinetry in the Amish tradition of excellence, using today's technology. Essentially, we fuse a legacy of meticulous millwork with the efficiency of modern production techniques to provide the highest quality custom cabinetry with savings most homeowners can't believe. All our cabinetry features standard soft closed drawers, dovetail joinery, durable plywood boxes rather than the particle board so often used by lesser cabinet companies, face frames built with 7/8 of an inch thickness, and an infinite array of custom stains and paint finishes allowing us to match any existing look or to create any look you can imagine.
The planning we put in all the way back in the foresight phase, and the fact that we craft our cabinets locally means we're the only remodeler in Atlanta that can guarantee custom crafted cabinetry delivered in just 10 business days. This means the typical impact of shipping on the environment and the cost associated to the homeowner are now virtually non-existent. This means we're in and out of our clients' home more quickly so they can enjoy their kitchen sooner. And even though the fabrication phase is shorter than what most people are used to, our quality and excellence are never compromised. We warranty all of our cabinetry and the installation of our cabinetry for our homeowners' peace of mind and for the protection of their investment.
They look amazing and they're very deep, and you can tell that they're a lot better than what we had.
The easy glide, the easy close cabinet drawers, the dovetail cabinet drawers, they're just made extremely well, but you feel it when you open it and close it. You know, when I'm getting pots and pans out, they close on their own. It's really, it's really nice for us. For me, I really like it.